How to fix Snapchat aspect ratio. Hello everyone, in today's video we'll talk about how to fix this on your Snapchat. Just watch this video till the end. So first go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly to apps option. Here on apps option you have to search now for Snapchat. Open then Snapchat and scroll down and go to storage. Here go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data and click OK. And then you have to back and click on force stop and click also OK. And what you should do, you have to go to your settings at default and you have to open supported links like I'm doing. And after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel and see you in another video.